Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways to make money as a college student. I understand, as a college student, you need money to support your studies and take care of your expenses. Most of you have opted for student loan and probably looking to make extra money on the side to support your studies. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 ways to make money as a college student that actually works. I will link in the description all the case studies that I've gone through so that you can have a better understanding about all these things and how it works. So I'm sure you don't want to miss this video, and I highly encourage you to watch the entire video and hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you like the content. Moving on. The first way that comes to my mind to make money as a college student is play to earn games. Metaverse is the network of a 3D virtual world focused on social connection. It's a virtual reality world where people can play games, connect with friends, and attend meetings, and even go to virtual concerts. Yes, it's a fairly new concept, and it's considered the future of the internet, aka Web 3.0. To simply put, play-to-earn games are video games where players can receive rewards with the real-world value. While people have been earning money from playing video games for many years through practice such as gold farming, the emergence of blockchain technology and NFTs has quite literally changed the game. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are cryptographically unique tokens that can be used to prove ownership of the content such as image, music, or art. In blockchain games, they enable users to take ownership of in-game items such as virtual clothing or plots of land. The biggest play-to-earn game by far is Axie Infinity, a monster battling game launched in 2018 by indie studio Sky Mavis. The game sees players collecting cartoon creatures called Axies, represented by NFTs. Each axis has unique strengths and weaknesses, and players can adventure, battle, and breed their axis as they play. Players earn crypto tokens as rewards for battling, while Axie Infinity tokens are used for vote on decisions regarding games and its future development. If you are good at playing games and something that you love doing in your free time, then you must try this, because not only you will enjoy your time, but you'll also make money while playing these games. Therefore, here is the list for the top 10 play-to-earn games in 2022. Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, Decentraland, So Rare, Gods Unchained, Alien Worlds, Blankos Block Party, Zoo Crypto World, Rumble Kong League, Splinter Lands. Before we move ahead, please do a thorough research before you jump into playing this play-to-earn game, as most of the play-to-earn games require some sort of upfront cost. Second thing would come to my mind as a college student to earn extra cash is starting a YouTube channel. If you love making videos and interacting with others, or you have something that you want to share with a wide audience, then definitely you should start a YouTube channel. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. All you need is you. Personality goes a long way on YouTube. And honestly, your uniqueness is what will keep the audience coming back. I'll tell you one thing though, and that is crucial. Make sure you enjoy what you're doing. Even though money is a byproduct of the consistent work and efforts put into creating valuable videos, you should be able to enjoy the journey. After 3 to 4 years of university, you might have YouTube as a career, making a full-time income. I have linked a couple of real-life examples where people have actually earned much more through YouTube than you can even imagine. For example, Andre G, Graham Stephan, Catherine Manning, Daniel Inskip, Shelby Church. These are the famous YouTubers who have recently shared their YouTube earnings as how much they earn through YouTube. I have given the links to their videos where they have explained how much they earn from YouTube. And trust me, after watching those videos, it will change your mindset towards YouTube. If making money might not be your reason for starting a YouTube channel, the opportunity to earn are pleasant once you realize how many of them are. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The first revenue stream that you will likely explore is ads. If you want to earn money on YouTube with creating videos, as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is the most important step. You will have to agree to follow all the YouTube monetization policies and live in a country or a region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the period of 1 year. The second option come to my mind within the YouTube is fan funding. As a creator, you can contribute your voice to internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content and way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. A great example of this is Patreon. Speaking of fan funding, YouTube Super Chat is the next option in the list. Super Chat is a feature used when doing live streams on YouTube. It lets you create a tipping jar for your viewers to donate whenever and however they feel like contributing. The next option that comes to my mind is channel membership. Channel membership lets viewers support your channel through monthly payment in exchange for members only perks. It is similar to Super Chat, Patreon. The condition is you must be part of YouTube Partners Program to access this feature. The last option to earn money within the YouTube is work with brands as an influencer. Brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing and sponsorships, spending their typically large advertising budgets on influencers who have already won the loyalty of their audiences. This creates a massive opportunity for you as a creator if you can negotiate the right deal. Depending on your leverage, your audience demographic, content quality, and how unique and profitable your niche is, you might be able to negotiate a better deal if the brand is a good fit. The key when partnering on brand sponsored content is to be transparent about it, not endorsing anything that you don't actually like or believe in, and being upfront with your audiences about why you're doing it. I thought working with brands as an influencer was the last option within the YouTube, but no, there is more. There is one more at least. Becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing refers to earning commission by promoting a product or service made by another brand. You can become an affiliate marketer for brands and include product placements, endorsements, or other types of content. However, you must disclose the partnership to viewers in your videos. This works especially well if you review product as part of your YouTube channel, since there is no risk involved on the brand's end. Moving on, third option to earn money as a college student is teaching language online. Of course, YouTube as an option to make money for college student is not quick money. It's more about setting up yourself for success in next 3 to 4 years to come. I understand As a college student, you need to make extra cash quickly. So here is an option that can make you quick money, and that is teaching your language online. Language is something that comes naturally to you, especially your native language. You do not need to gain any skill set for that. You don't need to put in any efforts for that. There are many people around the world who are looking to learn your native language. So teaching online languages seems to be a perfect job for many college students. Here are the top sites you can make money by teaching your language to others around the world. Number 1 is italki or etalki. Number 2, Camly. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm recommending it because I have personally used it. There are multiple websites where you can apply, depending on what language you're intending to teach. Each website has its own demands, language offerings, etc. Most website works with the schedule where you can simply fill your availability hours, and students can book with you within those possibilities. This means you can adjust to your working schedule or your study schedule on your own preferred hours. The fourth option that comes to my mind is selling online courses. Generating revenue is the most common reason for a college student, and creating online course is the way to go forward. This is the simplest use case. You create an online course and people buy it over and over again. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into it. As a digital asset, it doesn't cost much to produce, and it's cheap to distribute. If you're good at something, a skill or knowledge that can benefit others, then you can go ahead and convert it into an online course. This could be anything. As long as it is beneficial for others, you can literally make fortune for yourself by helping others with the valuable gains. The top platform you can use are Skillshare and Udemy. With these platforms, you don't need to promote your content. They do it for you. As there are many people coming on the platforms, so the chances of your content coming to the top search are higher. Again, like I said, as long as you provide valuable learnings that will help others to gain new skills or knowledge, you can be successful online tutor. Last and the fifth option that comes to my mind as a college student to earn extra money is doing freelancing work. In the last option, we talked about making a course and putting it on websites like Skillshare and Udemy. Let's say if you are someone who doesn't know anything at all, who doesn't have any skill set or any knowledge that you can share with others. So what you can do is, you can go to these sites like Skillshare and Udemy, buy a course for worth of coffee, and you can literally learn a skill, develop it, and you can actually do a freelancing job, offer your service, and you can actually do a freelancing work for others. For example, you can learn a graphic design as a skill, or you can learn content writing as a skill. You can learn a motion design as a skill. You can learn online marketing as a skill. And then once you're perfect at it, you can offer your freelancing services to the clients or to the potential clients that have enough money to pay you for your services. And for that, site that is famous for freelancing jobs is Fiverr. Of course, Fiverr might seem like a cheaper version of freelancing job portal, but I can guarantee you there are people who are literally making more than what you think people make on Fiverr. There you go guys, I think these are the 5 side hustles that will actually help you to make some money on the side as you continue your studies. If you really like this video and find beneficial, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and family so that more people can be benefited from this. Until then, I'll see you right here next time.